welcome back to another video of iPhone.ua with me guys. Man, today we are going to talk about Apple iPhone 11. Yes, आज हम बात करेंगे Apple की iPhone 11 के बारे में and let us know how it is different from the other variants, that is Apple iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. So talking about this variant, we can say the change in camera quality can be clearly seen out in Apple iPhone 11, 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max. 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max might be similar in the camera structurality. They are triple camera, but 11 is a dual camera phone out there. Yes, it's a dual camera phone and can be clearly seen out in the image itself. Talking about this variant, we can say that Apple iPhone 11 is quite a heavy weighted or a lightweight, both it can be seen, because it is more than 190 but less than 200 grams of weightage out here. The main reason is that it has got glass protection front and back both, and you will also get to see aluminum frame work out there. Yes, you get to see aluminum frame work. Along with that, you will also get to see that it is a single SIM slotation phone out here and a dual SIM slotation phone. Both the variants are available out here. IPS LCD capacitive touch screening with liquid retina out there can be easily seen in this variant, and you can easily see that the screening is quite a different variant out here. Talking about the screen size, it has got a screen size of 6.1 inches. Along with that, you will get to see that scratch proof resistance along with a resistance capacity to dust and water too. Using an upgradable iOS 13.6 is a great feature out there. Yes, you can see that it's an upgraded version of iOS 13, that is iOS 13.6, working with Apple 13. So that's a wonderful feature out here. Along with that, no external storage can be seen, so you can expect it to have 64 GB, 128 GB and 256 GB variants. Yes, 64, 128 and 256 variants are available out here. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then you will get to see 4 GB RAM also inbuilt in it. Talking about the camera, we had already said that the camera is absolutely different out in 11. In 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, you will get to see triple camera phone, whereas in 11 you will get to see a single camera phone as a dual camera, like not the triple one is there, as a simple dual camera phone. Talking about this dual camera phone, this has got 12 megapixel single and secondary camera. Yes, single, we talk about the primary camera or we talk about the secondary camera, both are 12 megapixel camera out here. Whereas you will get to see quad LED light also. Yes, quad LED flashlight out there. Along with that, you will get to see 12 megapixel selfie camera too. Like all the camera in 11 is 12 megapixel. You will get to see 3.5 mm jack out there along with stereo type speakers, Wi-Fi connectivity, everything out there. You will also get to see that the battery life is about 3100 mAh. 3100 mAh की बैटरी की बात करें तो it can be said as a good variant out here. Like 3100 mAh battery is quite a good variant out here. Whereas if we talk about this variant, we talk about the comparison to the other variant 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, we can say that these two variants are definitely different in the structurality and all the specifications out there. But when we talk about 11 out there, when we talk about 11 out there, we can say it is definitely the base of 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max, and it's quite different out there. Now talking about this variant, where it is available, how it is available, we have got a site for you which is none other than phoneZone.ae. Yes, we have a website out here for you. The website name is phoneZone.ae. And here you get to see all your favorite gadgets, all your favorite models under the category of this search icon. Yes, all you have to do is type here your favorite model and you will get to have a search result out there. So the result is out. As you can see, the result is out and we can see iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11, like all the categories are there. You will get to see iPhone 11 with refurbishedness is there and iPhone 11 with brand new condition. So दोनों के variants यहाँ पर हैं, brand new and refurbished. Whereas you get to see iPhone 11 is there and this is iPhone 11 with FaceTime. Yes, you get to see that this is written as with FaceTime. So let us talk and let me tell you that there are two kind of variants available out here. One with the FaceTime Face ID, another one with non-Face ID without FaceTime. So both the categories are available out here. So you can check out both the categories, and in the description box you will get to see which one has a FaceTime and which does not have. If it's written with FaceTime, then then definitely FaceTime is there. If it's written, it's nothing written over here, then it means it does not gives you about the FaceTime quality. The FaceTime feature is not in that variant. Now let us talk about the difference between refurbished and the brand new condition, because this is one condition which is written all over the space. So let us talk about these two conditions and then we can move ahead with the specifications and other things. Talking about refurbished products and comparing it with the brand new products, we can say that these two products do not differ in the parameters or do not differ in the structurality, functionalities. They are absolutely same. Yes, if we talk about these kind of products, like if we talk about refurbished products and compare it to the brand new products. Now let us talk about the word itself. Let us talk about the refurbished word first and then we'll talk about the brand new. Word की बात करें, the word itself declares or states that refurbished means creating something new like. Yes, creating something new like. Whereas brand new means absolutely untouched, absolutely brand new, that has been directly schemed or directly upgraded or directly released from the company itself. Whereas refurbished is something which has been once used, once has been pre-owned, and is now again being testified, testimoniality is given to that so that it can be reused by another user. This is the major difference out there. We can also say that these refurbished products are usually pre-owned. They are much good quality, or they are actually of good quality as compared to brand new. They are absolutely the same things out there. When we talk about these variants, we can say there is a similarity. There is something very common out there, that is the parameters or the structurality or the test certificates. Anything you would like to say, मतलब जो भी टेस्ट आप कहना चाहते हैं, जो specifications कहना चाहते हैं, everything is the same. If we talk about its display, its battery life, its camera quality, if we talk about its audio quality, video quality, sim recognition, its colorization, its connectivities, its button intactness, or the colorization in it, or the external color out there. If we talk about anything else, anything if we talk about, they are absolutely the same. Whatever brand new products have in them, the same quality, same things are in the refurbished also. क्योंकि वो अलग नहीं होते, we won't say that they are different. They are absolutely same. One product is classified as brand new when it is just released in the market from the company. After a certain span of time, we can say that that product becomes slightly old, and then the user do not use it or don't want to use it anymore. So that is given to an agency and that is verified and considered as a refurbished product. So talking about refurbished product, talking about refurbishedness, we can say that refurbished products are actually absolutely same. The parameters which involve, which we have already discussed about. Apart from that, you get a quality check. Yes, the quality check is being given to the product so that no specification is left or untouched before releasing into the site or launching it for the users. Not relaunching, we would say recreating it again or making it a good version, because good quality means good service, which are the building blocks of every site out there, every gadget out there, because we always invest in good things out there, so we need to check the quality also. Now talking about the quality and everything out there, let us talk about what are the advantages of having a refurbished product over a brand new product. There are few advantages, because we already know that brand new is something very exciting, brand new is brand new, and refurbished is something which we are creating like a brand new product. So now talking about the advantages, the first advantage which comes to our mind is the savings. Why we are doing savings? We all love savings, we all love to do savings out there, and if we get our favorite gadget in a pocketable rates, in a lesser pricing, or we can say a some price which is not very high for our pocket, so that could save up to around 15 to 17%. Is that definitely saves about a good quality of money. And apart from that, we can say that the brand new products are quite highly expensive for us. Yes, when the when company launches these products out there, they are we can say exceptionally, they are quite expensive out there, or we can say they are not usually in our pockets. So definitely they are expensive, and to save up to around 15% or have a saving for these products gives a joy, a tremendous joy to us. So that is one thing which we all want. We all want to save some money out there. So with this, we come to the second point, which is pocketable rates. Since brand new are highly expensive, so the refurbished products are quite pocketable out there. Yes, these do not cost our pocket much, so they are quite pocketable out here. They are very pocketable out here. Apart from that, you also get to see that there is 6 months warranty period. Yes, warranty is absolutely needed out here. What happens is when you are owning any phone out there, when you own any phone, you search for the warranty period, because this is one thing which we all want. If we don't have a warranty, we don't know whether we will be able to use it in a better way or not, whether if any damage is done with in that period, it can be considered as a new thing or not. We need a warranty period out there. So brand new products, whereas offer you just a 1 year warranty, yes, they offer you 1 year warranty, whereas refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty, which is really a good thing out here, because once a phone has been pre-owned, when it has been pre-owned, then usually the users do not take the warranty guarantee out there. They do not offer you any guarantee. But if the phone has a condition which is refurbished or certified refurbished, this kind of condition, then definitely they have 6 months warranty out there. And in case you get any quality deformity out there, any disadvantage or anything out there, then you get to have a 7-day exchange policy also. Yes, 7-day exchange policy is also possible out there, so you can definitely check this out. In this, you get to exchange your product, you get to exchange or replace or get money back guarantee with terms and conditions. So these are few things which are involved in it. Now, talking about this kind of variance, this kind of advantages, do every site offer this? Do every site give you a pocketable rate? Do every site offers you 6 months warranty or exchange policy and give you savings? So for that, I have got a site, yes, which has been trusted by lots of users and are offering great pricing. So this is the site out here. Yes, you will get to see the site name is phonezone.ae, which we are already discussing out here. Yes, the site name is phonezone.ae. We have already discussed about the gadgets out there. आज हमने iPhones के बारे में बात की. We have talked about iPhones out there. We are talking about iPhone model, Apple series out there. So this site offers you not just one brand, but n number of brands also. As you can see, this category, all mobile phones, offers you n number of brands, which shows not just Apple, Samsung, Nokia, Sony, every kind of brand out here. Apart from that, we were talking about 6 months warranty period. We were talking about 7 exchange policy. We were talking about everything. So this site definitely offers you 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy. Apart from that, yes, apart from that, this site offers you COD and free shipping too. So these are the few advantages of this site out here. So you can definitely check them out. And apart from that, if we talk about the series, we were talking about the Apple series, iPhone series. They are available here at a very reasonable rates. Best market price, we can say they are very good pricing out here. So definitely you can check that out. And in addition to that, a note to this video or note to your iPhone, if you are thinking to have it, then let me remind you that this uh, iPhone which you are looking at right now, the iPhone you are talking about today, does not come with Face ID. Yes, for UAE users, Face ID is not available in the iPhone. So do check out the description box which we are showing in every video, so that you know what all features it has. So before ordering, you can also verify or check out the description box on the site, or you can call on our helpline number to know more. This is what I would like to inform you out. Till then, take care. अगर कोई और confusion हो, आप हमें बता सकते हैं comment section में लिख के. Till then, take care.